Getting hit with fatal error line 681 in Wuthering Waves right after launch? This UE4 crashing is cutting off gameplay for tons of players, but don't worry. We will walk you through exactly what's causing it and how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show how to fix fatal error line 681 in Wuthering Waves. Let's dive in. Method 1. Launch the game via Game Installation folder. Open Steam and then head to Library. Right-click on the game. Here we are showing the steps with this game. The process is same for Wuthering Waves. Now go to Properties. Select Installed Files and click on Browse. This should take you to the Game Installation folder. Try launching the game from here. Method 2. Troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Make sure to update the graphics drivers before you start gaming. This should help you avoid issues while gaming and boost your gaming experience. Here is how you can update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapters section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics drivers and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now, download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs from your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run utility. Type dev.mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapters section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 3. Disable full screen optimization. Double-click on this PC and navigate to the Game Installation folder. Open the Game folder, right-click on the game exe and open its properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and disable full screen optimization. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 4. Verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and downloads the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the methods shown could fix the issue, there might be some corrupt installation files causing the issue. Uninstall the game, then download and reinstall it. This can often resolve persistent loading problems caused by corrupted files. And that's it. Your game should be back up and running. No more fatal errors blocking your adventure. If this fix worked for you, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech solutions. Still stuck or found a different workaround? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Wuthering Waves community strong.